In Cinderella's Waltz, we have two hands playing. Left hand has the melody and right hand has the harmony, which means left hand is going to be louder than right hand. Let's take a listen to this dance. I like to think of the left hand as the gentleman in the dance, and then the right hand is going to be the girl's part. So take a listen. Let's look at the right hand first. You hear how quiet and gentle the right hand is. We're starting our thumb on E or 3 on G and quietly play together. Nothing on the second line, so let's go on to the third line. Same thing. Rest, rest, rest. Go straight to the last chords. Move your hand up to C and E. Hold that down. Switch to the left. Thumb on middle C. Let's play louder and hold this down. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Hold 2, 3, hold 2, 3, hold 2, 3. 2, 3, wait 2, 3, off.